everyone, welcome back to Money Sips. I'm Laura Santana, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of tequila. Whether you're a casual sipper or aspiring to become a tequila expert, this episode has something for you. So, let's get started. Tequila, the spirit of Mexico, has a history as rich and vibrant as the land it comes from. Originating from the blue Weber agave plant, tequila has been enjoyed for centuries and continues to grow in popularity worldwide. Tequila's roots trace back to the Aztecs, who fermented the sap, or agua de miel, of the agave plant. However, it was the Spanish conquistadors in the 16th century who distilled it into the tequila we know today. Named after the town of Tequila in Jalisco, this spirit has come a long way from its ancient origins. Now, let's talk about the different types of tequila. There are 5 main categories: blanco or silver. This is the simplest version of tequila, and it's bottled immediately after distillation, offering a pure agave flavor. Joven or gold. This is a blend of blanco and aged tequilas, often with the addition of caramel coloring. A good example of this case is Jose Cuervo Gold. Reposado, aged between 2 and 12 months in oak barrels, providing a smooth, subtle flavor. Añejo, aged from 1 to 3 years, giving it a richer, more complex profile. And finally, Extra Añejo, which is aged for over 3 years, offering the most sophisticated and deep flavors. Tequila production is an art form. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the process. The first step is harvesting the blue agave plants, which take about 8 to 12 years to mature. The second step is when the jimadores, or agave harvesters, cut away the leaves to reveal the heart of the plant, called the piña. The third step happens when the piñas are then cooked in large ovens to convert the starches into fermentable sugars. This can be done in traditional brick ovens or hornos and more modern autoclaves. The fourth step is the crushing of the cooked piñas to extract the juice, known as agua de miel. This can be done using the traditional tahona, a stone wheel, or, as many do, modern machinery. On the fifth step, the extracted juice is then placed in large fermentation tanks where yeast is added. The fermentation process converts the sugars into alcohol, typically taking several days. Passing to the sixth step, the fermented liquid is then distilled twice to purify the liquid and concentrate the alcohol. This is usually done in copper pot stills or stainless steel pot stills. On the seventh step, the distilled tequila can then be bottled immediately if it is blanco, or it can be aged in oak barrels for varying periods to produce reposado, añejo, or extra añejo tequilas. And finally, on the last step, the tequila is filtered and then bottled, ready to be enjoyed by tequila enthusiasts around the world. Some of the top tequila distilleries in the world include Casa Herradura, known for its rich history and premium quality. Don Julio, famous for its luxurious and finely crafted tequilas. Patron Tequila, a household name that is synonymous with high-quality tequila. And lastly, Clase Azul, recognized for its beautiful, handcrafted bottles and exquisite tequila. My favorite among all. And last but not least, El Tesoro Distillery, which is celebrated for its traditional production methods and exceptional taste. Let's not forget about cocktails. Here are the top 5 tequila cocktails that you must try. Margarita, the classic mix of tequila, lime juice, and triple sec. You can never go wrong with a margarita. Tequila Sunrise, a refreshing blend of tequila, orange juice, and grenadine, Paloma. The perfect combination of tequila, grapefruit soda, and lime. El Diablo, a spicy and sweet mix of tequila, creme de cassis, lime, and ginger beer. Tequila, old-fashioned, a twist on the classic using añejo tequila instead of whiskey. Tequila is more than just a spirit. It's a culture, a history, and it is a form of art. If you want to dive deeper, consider getting certified with a WSET Level 2 course in spirits. It's a great way to enhance your knowledge and appreciation of tequila and other spirits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Money Sips, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your favorite tequila stories or cocktails in the comments below. Cheers, and see you next time.